yun ang pangarap ko para sa bawat isa. Malinis, maayos na pamayanan, panatag ang pamumuhay na makapaghanap buhay ang mga tao.
Because we highly encourage all businessmen to open businesses here in Manila so that our economy can actually be saved from the slump that we are in.
Sa ating investors, no harm will come to you under my watch. No abuse will come to you. And tell that to your friends. Go back to Manila.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause as we welcome the City of Manila Mayor, the Honorable Isko Moreno. 掌声欢迎马尼拉市市长。
Matulog ka na!
Sige, sabi mo yan ha. Boss boy.
掌声欢迎副市长 the Honorable Chi Atienza. Let's give her a big round of applause. The Honorable Chi Atienza, thank you so much for joining us here in our event. Now may we ask our distinguished leaders to please be seated at the side of our store. 好，现在有请我们的各位领导贵宾们，请移步到座位，请就坐，我们的活动即将开始。五彩祥云空中飘，天边飞来金翅鸟。在这吉祥幸福的时刻，我们满怀真诚的祝福，相约在这里，共同见证福林海鲜酒楼的盛大开业典礼。Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the grand opening of Fulin Seafood Restaurant. Fulin means fortune and life. Today, we truly hope that this auspicious name brings endless success, prosperity, and guests flowing in night clouds. Maybe ask the lions to face there, over there. Okay. And now in count of three, please hand over the red envelope. 好，请把红包给我们的讲师。Thank you so much. 好，现在请我们跳。 Alright, thank you so much. Can I ask all our distinguished guests, please be seated. Thank you. Please take your seats. Thank you so much.
For all the Manileños that are watching, please do support their business because we highly encourage all businessmen to open businesses here in Manila so that our economy can actually be saved from the slum that we are in. Thank you very much and I wish you all luck. And
Thank you so
the City of
much.
Manila is just here to support you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And now, of course, a big round of applause as we invite the Mayor of City of Manila, Isko Moreno, the Honorable Isko Moreno, for a speech.
Thank you. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ay, umaga pa. Wala pa ako tulog eh. Oh. Wala na ako orientation ng oras sa ating mga kababayan na nandito. Una-muna, bago ito, matanong ko lang kayo, lumilinis na ba yung Binondo? Talaga? Kung manatag kayo, eh tutuloy-tuloy ko yung paglilinis. Ha? Hanggang mag-normalize na tayo ulit. Kasi pag malinis, maayos, at panatag ang pamumuhay, maraming negosyo sa Maynila. Pag maraming negosyo, maraming trabaho. Two words. Tama ba? So, yun ang pangarap ko para sa bawat isa. Malinis, maayos na pamayanan, panatag ang pamumuhay na makapaghanap buhay ang mga tao. Sa ating investors na continue to believe in the City of Manila, particularly Binondo, no harm will come to you under my watch. No abuse will come to you. And tell that to your friends. Go back to Manila. Welcome kayo sa Manila. And congratulations. Thank you. I love you too.
Thank you so
Mag-ingat kayo.
much.
Mga nanay ko, sumilong na kayo, tumuulan. Ha? See you.
Maraming
Thank
salamat.
you.
Thank you.